Hey, hello. Hello everyone. I'm pretty sure that I'm streaming now. Let me just make sure that I'm doing this right. Still getting used to the whole stream life, I guess. Let's see here. Does this mean I'm offline? Kind of looks like I'm offline, but I can't really tell. Yeah, it looks like I'm supposed to be streaming to Twitch. Just making sure that my video player is showing the video before I start talking about things. Okay. I can do this. I can do this. Am I streaming? Yes, maybe? Do I have to like really open a different tab to see if I'm streaming or not? I mean, it seems like a pretty bizarre thing to do. Okay, so I'm streaming, it's just not actually showing me the comments of the live chat. I guess that makes it like a non-live chat or something really bizarre. Okay, cool. Alright, streaming now. I'm just letting my partner Greg know that I am now streaming. Last time that we left off, I was working on the galaxy generation and I made some progress there. So just current state, I'm going to hit play. It generates my galaxy. So in my Unity scene, I see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, a whole bunch of galaxies. And each galaxy has a random number of planets from 1 to 3. Looks like actually almost all these galaxies only have 1 planet. So let me first go ahead and make it so there's at least higher odds, possibly. So I'm going to go to my galaxy generation. Hopefully I have good naming conventions. Create 1 planet, planet position. So thank God for color coordination. Generate planet. Random number of planets. I think I know what was wrong. Okay. So when I first go into this cycle, it creates 1 planet. Comes into here. Is the counter equal to the number of planets? So the counter is 0. So I don't think I ever even set my counter anywhere. Nope, it's used twice. Ooh, they. Let me actually just change this number to 4. Maybe that will make a difference. Number of planets, 4. Set parent, create game object, int add. So the int number of planets counter, so it definitely is a thing, but I don't know if it gets reset. So let me see where it would get reset. Just doing a little bit of cleanup now, deleting stuff I don't need. This one adds to the galaxy counter. This one is the galaxy stuff. Get rid of that, don't need that. Get rid of this, get rid of this. Sometimes I kind of wildly delete things and then realize I shouldn't have deleted them later. So after it exits its loop, then I should reset my planet counter. So planets counter. Oh, actually, boop. Let me get rid of this one right here. And planet counter. Set my planet counter to 0. Okay, and I'm going to also copy this and I'm going to make sure I reset it before it goes into this loop, which is great. Alright. So it should create way more planets now, probably. Yeah. So this one has 3 in this cluster down here, and then this one happens to have 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, And I'm just seeing like the green highlight around this. 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2. And they're kind of going into the other galaxies, which I don't want. So I'm going to make the distance between the planets not so crazy. So when I create the planet... Oh, that was why. They could either go from negative 25 to 50, but I just updated that, so that should actually be better. Alright, so the planets should be pretty close to their galaxies. I wonder if it feels very clustered. Let me see where I am now. Yeah, these planets are pretty close. Man, these planets are too close. Too close. Alright. Maybe the galaxies need to be spread further apart, which I do here. Which was 30. So let me make them 50. So this is just a little bit trial and error. Yeah, look at that galaxy spread. Now they're pretty far. They look like they're clumped pretty nicely, like in like their own little areas. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool with that. And let me see the travel distance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then we have the planet here. Buy some fuel. Let's fly a little bit further. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, so you really have to fly for a bit. Yeah, maybe dial it back just a little bit, the distance between these planets, to 40, because I believe they were 30. Yeah, that should be fine for now. You can always change these later. Anyway, more importantly, I want to make sure when I choose my planet, that so the planet mission is where the planet's chosen. So we find the galaxy, we choose the planet, we build the mission text, and then we set the text. So thankfully I have good naming convention here. So when we choose that planet, I want to send an event to that planet. Send event by name. Mission destination. So currently, for my planets, they have a couple of cool things down here. So I think I'm going to create a separate event. Yeah. Let's see here. Start. Ooh, overlay color. I kind of want to make it a red, but I also don't want to jack this up. Color, green, start color. color A, color B. Okay. Alright, color A, color B. Color A, color B. Color B, color A. So, and this is color A, and this is color, and this is just white. Okay. So, I want to mission planet. Is that what I called that? Mission planet? Mission destination, I called it. Okay. Mission. Alright. I can do this. I can do this. Mission destination. And I feel like that probably be easy to remember. Mission destination. Which will set the color. Oh, set color FSM of the child. Color B to a oh no, to a red. At it, I'll also change color A. Alright. Change pulse. Color. Change planet color. Okay. Alright. Cool. So really what I did is when you go over a planet, it starts to pulse. So, going to cheat and bring a planet to me. Alright, so when I hover over that planet, it starts to pulse green. What I want to do is when I choose a planet, so the planet located in sector 11, which is one of these guys, which is at 98. 98, okay, so let's see which ones of these are 98. So this is the one. So that means when I hover over this planet, it won't hover green, it'll hover red. So let me see if I did that right. No? No? Ah, so it tried to, but then it didn't. So it wanted to change the color, but then it didn't. But why? I asked it so nicely. I don't understand. And while I'm at it, I'm actually going to change the name of that planet to make my life easy. So when I choose a planet, I'm going to change the name of it. Mission destination. I'm going to call it first planet. Planet hyphen mission destination. Alright, cool. So when I choose a planet for a mission, No, I was supposed to... Wait. What? So I find the mission planet. Then I get a random child. But I don't... What the heck? Oh, that's weird. Now it works. It didn't work the first time. So this is the planet I'm supposed to go to. So if this is the planet I'm supposed to go to, that means that the color changed. Which it did not. No. No. That's so weird. I definitely wanted to change it. Hey Greg, yes, I can. Can you hear me better now? I just maxed out my volume. Greg, can you hear me? You're right. Time to listen to some real music. Bette Midler. Sometimes, Greg, I listen to Bette Midler. Let me see if I can get some good Bette Midler for us. I don't know, man. I think I should listen to some Gypsy Bette Midler. So good. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, I'll save it for later. Ooh, these bits are fat. Awesome, dude. This music is fat. I'm trying to think about how I want to do radar. might not look super normal, but basically what I'm trying to do here is create some sort of radar. Hard to see, but I mean, this is basically like a radar. Now, I think I can do a mask on this. Making a quick radar. Like.
Demons are asleep and we're dreaming of night.
the circle's cool, man. Yeah. Check out how lazy I am. Totally gonna ignore it. Delete that. Paste that. Put that. Drop that. I think technically it should actually be one further. Okay, cool. So this is technically correct pixel ratio. I can actually use that now. No. I would really, I really love to use this target texture. But I'm obviously doing it wrong. Editor, GUI, single channel? Texture. Camera, target render texture. Camera radar texture. Like, seriously, Unity? And what do I do with this? How do I... It's so weird. Create a wide tall thin box. Drag the radar into the thingy. What the heck? Can this just be like the thing that I created? Color texture. Maybe now. Nope. I feel so confused. Alright, this is super weird. None of those are working. Thought I could crop that. Huh. Wonder... I wonder. Do I just have to shove a texture on top of it? That probably actually makes way more sense. Holla, Mike Winans in the house. Mike Winans in the house. I have such a hard time talking to anybody when I'm listening to music. I'm like, Mike Winans? Yeah, let's jam. components as values. This one is a red dot. Okay. So radar dot mission. Okay. So I'm going to throw that in here as a prefab. Delete that. Don't need that. And I'm going to see if I can add this radar dot to my planet. So I've chosen my planet and I've set the mission. Create object. I'm going to create a red dot at my planet. Create radar dot. Create radar dot. And I'm going to parent that radar dot. Do I really need to? I'm not gonna do that right now. Yeah, I think I do. Radar radar dot radar dot / geo. So I'm going to set the radar dot to the mission planet. Reset the local position. I don't need to set the rotation. Set to mission planet. Alright, let's see here real quick. I'm basically trying to create. So if I do this right, I'm gonna hit O. Ah, that's beautiful. So that's where my mission is. So now when I go this way, why does it look like I'm going the wrong way? Why is this like radar so crazy? Is this like literally the wrong way? Why would my camera be upside down? Oh, cool, it's showing in the radar. Kinda, sort of. Not yet-ish. What? Why is it not showing in my radar? Oh, it takes so long to show. Alright, so first off, my radar is semi-upside down, and probably should be a little bigger. Yeah. Also kind of hard to see, like, exactly where my radar even is. Oh, it's probably because it's not fully on there. Yeah, that is true. Huh. I haven't done a line draw like that. I'm not gonna do it yet, but I know what you're talking about, Greg. Oh my god. That's so rough. Where am I supposed to go? Alright, let's see if it actually shows up. Oh, that's cool. There it is. You know, not exactly perfect, but it's like some sense of radar. Now just to clamp. Probably actually gonna do the radar slightly different. Man, I'm just using a ton of fuel right now. Wait. Where's my planet? What? Where's my planet? Wait, what? Where is it? The hell? Mission planet? Is it so small that I can't see it? What? Oh sweet, man, that's awesome that you started on those. Why is the mission planet so far from the red dot? That's so bizarre. What have I done? Sweet Jesus. Sweet Jesus, what have I done? Actually, let me do that twice. Oh. Alright, so... Weird. Why is it not parenting? Weird. Terrible. I'm using the wrong naming convention. I want to take the dot and make it the planet thing. That actually makes more sense. Okay, cool. So now, that's right. Alright, so I'm just gonna... Okay, so it's all the way down here, which is pretty awesome. So I'm just gonna drag it right over here. I just want to make sure it looks good. It looks good. It's pretty awesome. So it's pretty obvious where it is. Ooh, I should be cool and make it a star. It'd be so exciting, right? Ooh, there are 2 audio listeners. You should not have 2. So let me get rid of this one. I would like to mask this. Can I do that? I don't think I can. I don't think it's that easy. Nope, no, it doesn't exactly work like that. Graphics mask. Can I just... Can I cheat the system like this? Is that... Can I do that right now? Oh shit, where'd that image go that I just added? Unity camera mask. Unity camera alpha. How am I like goobering so hard right now? Does this render texture just need to have like an actual texture element on it? Okay. Texture test. I want to add. What is this? I would love to know how to do this right, but I'm definitely doing it wrong. How am I doing this so wrong? How do I make this do right? Do I have to create a material? Yeah, okay. All right, later, Greg. Thanks for hanging out. I'll catch you later, dog. Trying to find out what I'm missing here. Weird. Well, that's definitely a start. From planet to yeah, from planet. I don't know, from player to dot. Color red. Okay. Oh, cool. How do I how do I render this line? I'd like to see this line. Nope, nope. That won't let me do it. Okay. Well, now I know how to draw a line. But I don't want to debug a line. I want to draw a line forever. Line cast. That's a physics thing. Let's see if this is the key to all the answers that I seek. Oh. Yes. Line renderer. Show me what you've got. Ah. Ooh, start color green, end color red. Can I do that? Ooh, every frame. That doesn't seem like a big deal. Let's hope it doesn't break anything. Be cool, be cool. Ooh. Ooh, very exciting. Doop 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 doop. So, this this line renderer is quite interesting. Store game objects. Line being rendered. Interesting. Line renderer. Interesting. Line renderer. How did I go from one view to 4 views to 1 view? What is this life? So now, since I know it's the sweet old line renderer, there's a better way to do this. Line render. Oh. Ooh, got to 3. Very exciting. Line count. Delete lines. String, 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 string. Set line renderer, set color. Set line renderer, set widths. Physics line cast. Look at. Sphere cast. Custom button mouse. Draw debug arrow. Physics line cast. Box cast. Meh, I think I'm okay with this. Alright. So let me actually create a material for that. Ooh. Line. Cast. Ooh. Radar line cast. Let's be specific. Cool. I'll just use this, and I'll use that, and I'll hit this, and I hit that, and I go here, and then I press that, and then I go here, and then I press this, and I go, and I go, and line, radar line cast renderer. Come in here, grab this, and I'm probably gonna make this like a particle alpha. That might look better. Ooh, neato. Look at that color swag. No, stop moving. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that I just need to show okay. So I can't name that tag, no problem. I guess I'm gonna hide everything that's default, which is everything. Alright, gonna call this player. Nope, this object only. Actually these should all be player 2. Player. Okay. My particle system should be called, I'm just gonna call it UI for now. Okay, so let's see here. Alright, cool. So now I can see on the radar which direction I'm supposed to go into, which is kind of neat. Which means I probably cool. I mean, that's kind of neat, right? Now I kind of know on my radar which way to go. Which means that maybe my radar can be smaller. Nah, too small. Speaking of cool radar line. Nope, doesn't want to do that? Maybe? No? No. Whatever this is, what do all these things do? I should definitely do all these things. Oh. Interesting. Alright, well, I'm done doing that real quick. Radar. Whoa, perspective. Totally not cool. Oh, wait. What? Why is this on there? Weird.
In this lesson, we're going to...
Trying to think here how I want to resolve this issue. Let's see if I can be a little barbaric. Kind of weird how things are highlighted now in Unity. It's freaking me out. It's freaking me out. Oh, is this technically the wrong side? Oh, okay. That makes more sense. What? Oh. How do I even make that mistake? Oh, well, whatever. So what, if I make this super big? What am I doing? I should just let's just overlay the shit. this behind everything. Make this bigger. Make this wider. Grab a reasonable color. It's also a pretty terrible color. And then size this bar down. 55.25. And voila, I have a terrible masking solution for my radar. You can kind of see a little bit better, which I guess kind of works. Is it perfect? Eh. Not really, but I guess now I can, so my aspect ratio is 1028 by 764. 1024 by 768. Oh, I think my shit's crashing. Photoshop was too much. Wait, is it gonna crash? No? Maybe? Maybe not? Photoshop is not happy. And you, Photoshop. And you. Okay. Okay. 1024 by 768. Continue trial. Exit, exit, exit. Alright. Delete that. And I guess for the sake of what I'm doing, create something quick. Radar 2. Alright, so created my art asset called Radar 2. Okay. Oh, I should actually make it white. It's much easier to control. I'm going to get rid of Radar 2. Pull in the real Radar 2. Radar overlay image. This is to overlay it. Really? So perfect. So perfect. Radar 3. Okay. Oh, okay. A little bit closer, a little bit closer. I'm so close to mastering my okay overlay for radar. Lord forgive me. Lord forgive me. Radar 4. Alright, now we're talking. Radar 4. I think the solution is kind of just moving this over a little. Yeah. 2.5. Yeah, 0.2, 0.2. 8. 9. 0.1. Oh. obviously super perfect. I guess I'm just gonna, I'll make that all black, and then this will be all black too, and then I'll actually create another overlay, sneaky, and then this one will be white, and then I'll just pull that up slightly, and wow. Wait, how does increasing the height, oh. Okay, so is that super perfect? Maybe not. But it kind of gives me, uh-oh. What if I did a third one? What? I actually should just move this over to the side, like so. I mean, this is the most perfect UI you've ever seen. Maybe. Maybe not. One or two persons that I may or may not be talking to. Yes, I think it definitely is one or two people, but it doesn't even actually show. So, okay, so it actually looks a little bit better that way, which is kind of nice. Can I technically put another layer on top? No, I want to use that radar sprite I made. Oh, and I can't use this cool radar sprite? Oh, I have to convert it back into a sprite. Okay. So, radar. Regular. Okay. 50 by 50? 150 by 150? So now I actually want this one on top of the camera. Can I do that? Does it want to let me do that? Oh my god, I'm the biggest goober ever. All I had to do this whole time is go under sprites, add it to my radar camera, drag in my radar, put it under my radar layer, 0, 0, 0, 50, 50, 50, maybe. Wait, what? No. Oh, like 500 by 500? Yeah. 800 by 800. Yeah, boy. Okay. Not exactly super perfect, but whatever. Ooh. Is that kind of ominous, maybe? Do like two of them. What, 250? Yeah, you know, not exactly the most perfect thing, but kind of, sort of, maybe cool. feels a little bit more space-like. It's like my galaxy area. Ooh, that's cool. I mean, we definitely have to destroy the other one too, but hey, you know, that's something. So it draws a line to the planet. Can't necessarily win, but it's a starting point, I would think. It's weird. Is there really no one watching? Just me? Is there one person? Is there two? Say hi. Hey, is anybody there? Hello. Hello, friends. Hello. Chat channel. Doesn't look like there's anybody in here. It's just you and me. You and me. Do 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 do.
Are you brave enough?
Ooh. Sometimes I like to double check to see if I'm missing anything. Nope, nope, just us. Me, myself, and I. It's just like me, myself, and I. Alright. Okay. It's getting a little loopy here. Loopy! Okay, so I made this cute little... cute, not so cute. Okay, cute, not so cute. Actually, I could probably make this feel more radar-like. Probably make this part green, maybe. Or I now use this to make a green, make it reasonable size. Move it down here. Make it, again, a reasonable size. Okay, and then I can actually take the radar and color pick it as the same. Then I can get rid of these two because that's kind of weird. Actually, I'll keep one. And I will move this maybe down in the corner. No, I won't. I'll remove this. And nope, nope. Ooh, man, what a stressful thing. Now I can just move some of these overlays up slightly. Trying to just move these boys around. Oh man. Definitely not the way I typically go about things. Caveman-esque. Super realistic game. This is totally how, I don't know, people work on games. Just kidding, I'm not normal. all this time making this like shitty looking UI. Oh, it's so beautiful. Now it's perfect. Now it's super hyper realistic. What a weird looking UI. Probably just gonna. Oh. Actually, this feels more normal, surprisingly. Okay. Yay! Alright, well, that is much closer better. Oh, actually, kind of looks right. Except you can see the clipping there. Oh well, we got something. I'm finding where the enemies are, or whatever. I'm drawing that line to them. Also, why does the renderer look so weird all of a sudden? Line renderer. Oh, what's it gonna? Oh, build this out. Yeah, I think it's under here. Okay. Interesting. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. It's been an excellent hour 26 minutes. I hope for any who watch this on YouTube or somewhere later, I hope it was very beneficial or entertaining or something of the sort. I really appreciate everyone's company, whether it's now, which I think is just me, party for me, or later. I think it's still really awesome. So hope everyone has an awesome night. All right, bye.